In today's video, we are going to show you how to track wallets on Axiom. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. If you want to keep an eye on successful crypto traders, whales, or your own wallets, Axiom makes it easy to monitor wallet activity in real time. I want you to go to the tracker section because here we need to manually add the wallet first. If you haven't already, click the add wallet, and what will happen is we need to add the wallet address and the wallet name. Since this is our first time adding a wallet on Axiom, what we need to do is select any random coin or any meme coin in Axiom. For example, we're gonna go to the Pulse. Let's say I wanted to follow this specific meme coin from Grok. Double click on it, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. Now, on the trading panel, for you to be able to track this specific wallet, you need to copy the wallet address. You see this square symbol right here? I want you to copy that and then go back again to the trackers, click the add wallet, put in the wallet address and put in the name. Now, select the drop-down menu and click the main and click the add Solana wallet. Now, once the wallet has been added, it will begin displaying its public blockchain activity depending on the supported network and available features. You'll typically be able to monitor the token purchases, token sales, and a lot more. This information helps you understand how experienced traders are entering and exiting the positions. Remember that wallet tracking is meant to provide insights, not financial advice. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can track wallets on Axiom. By adding the wallet address, you can organize them into watch list, monitor transactions, and analyze trading behavior so you can gain valuable insights into market activity and improve your own research process. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.